Ever look at all the different kinds of gold and silver you can buy and just think, I have no idea where to begin? Coins, bars, ingots, it can get confusing fast. When you're new to precious metals, it's super easy to get overwhelmed. But this guide breaks it down in plain English. So first up, bullion coins. These are a world standard investment. They can be rounds or actual legal tender. Then there are bullion bars, which big investors love because you can buy a lot at once. Ingots, think of them as smaller chunks, cheaper to make, so usually cheaper to buy. Numismatic coins are a bit different. They are less pure, cost more to make, and are not as valuable per ounce. And then there's jewelry, which is more about wearing your wealth, but it's been a savings tool all over the world for centuries. This is just one section from the Why Precious Metals PDF, which is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. You will also find things like setup and pricing information and silver scheme report in there. I'll link this one in the description. Once you know what's out there, it's way easier to pick what actually fits your savings goals. You can grab the full gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, quick to read, and it will help you make a confident call on which type of gold and silver makes the most sense for you. The link's in the description.